Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkerk Sport Vanguard Power. A $250 pickleball paddle is no easy investment, but those who want the best of the best gear will find interest in the Selkerk Power Air Epic. One of the premier models on the PPA Tour, this is one epic paddle. For starters, the Power Air has an elongated handle and stand shape that creates a generous surface area, while the handle makes it perfect for double-handed backhands. Second, the Power Air's performance is some of the most advanced. It's truly a power player's dream. Selkerk added the air opening to create faster swing speeds, as it feels like serves have some extra whip to them. A third key finding from playing with the Power Air Epic was the overall feel of the paddle. It's like holding the paddle equivalent of a Ferrari. Fast, lightweight, sexy. The handle is luxe and cushioned, and the extra wrapping near the end of the handle helps you get a more secure grip. There are no pronounced edges on the Power Air for the ball to take a weird shot off of, so there's actually a chance you get a clean return even if you connect near the edges of the paddle. The Power Air Epic is meant for serious players only, and the sleek design shows that you're using the best technology in the game. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Head's Radical Elite Paddle is the ultimate wallet-friendly pick for those who are getting pickleball fever. As far as design goes, the Radical Elite comes with a honeycomb core, a fiberglass finish, and a wide surface area to smack the ball. You also get a comfortable foam handle with a length similar to that of a tennis racket. While the Radical Elite lacked power a bit, this paddle prioritizes control while staying lightweight, so it's a great option for learning the game. You can play competitively with the Radical Elite too, but as you see yourself progressing, you may want to switch to a paddle with more power. But remember, this paddle retails for around $70, when in reality it plays closer to a $100 paddle. It's such a good price that it makes for an easy pickleball gift you can give to players of all skill levels. Experts can use it as a backup paddle. Number 3. Onyx Graphite Z5. If you watch any professional pickleball events on TV, it's likely you'll notice Onyx as a paddle in a few pros' hands. Onyx has a wide array of paddles to choose from, but the Graphite Z5 is a trusted pick that's big on ball control and clean returns. The takeaway from the Z5 is that you get the best qualities of a graphite paddle for a price point of just under $100, which is an excellent value. Graphite is a favorite for many pros due to the material's strong design and lightweight feel, making it easy to control each shot and finesse where you want your ball to go. It plays with a well-balanced feeling in the hand. The Nomex honeycomb core seems to limit dead spots, and the paddle offers enough space to connect cleanly on most shots. The shape of the paddle gives you a sneaky amount of surface area too. In terms of quality, the paddle has a lofty weight and powerful sweet spot, giving it a superior rating. The paddle was especially great on serves, allowing you to whip the ball over the net and get some good spin. The Z5 caters to all skill levels, but it's especially great as a beginner pickleball paddle. You won't have to upgrade from it for quite a while. Number 4. JOOLA Ben Johns Perseus 3S. Made in collaboration with Ben Johns, who has dominated the PPA Tour for years, having won an impressive 123 title wins. This paddle is made with enhanced stability, giving you a precise shot from its charged carbon surface. Basically, it's been bond-treated for improved strength, which gives you a crisp feel during contact for improved energy return on the ball. In a nutshell, this gives you a poppier response. What helps make this one pro-level paddle is the insane propulsion core. It's designed with a patent-pending core that gives you explosive power unlike any other, on all shots, from line drives, drops, and dinks to counters. Combine that with an elongated paddle face, and you will have ample hitting surface area to make you a spin master with an enormous sweet spot, meaning fewer mishits, too. One of the best features is that this paddle is NFC chip-enabled. In a world where data is king, this allows you to access training vids based on your style of play, a community experience, and gamification, all through the JOOLA Connect app. This thing truly is next level. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. If you're looking for a paddle to make a statement on the courts and one that can easily fit in at a country club, Tangerine Santorini is that paddle. The Santorini aesthetic is one inspired by the Greek island and one that gives vibes to the lost kingdom of Atlantis. But this pick is more than a pretty paddle, it performs quite well too. With a generous sweet spot and elongated face, this paddle is a great choice for players of all levels. It has won the lightest weight of our featured paddles, with a featherweight of only 7.6 ounces, allowing you to whip around on your strokes for max power. The fiberglass surface gives it a nice responsive pop, while the paddle's thickness perfectly balances accuracy and power. The blue and white stripes perfectly match the chestnut brown leather grip. It is also USAP approved as well. This fun paddle adds a pop of color and a pop on your shots.